everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's see some beautiful crochet backpack designs model. A crochet backpack is a bag made entirely or mostly by crocheting, which is a method of creating fabric using a hook and yarn. Unlike typical backpacks made from fabric, leather, or synthetic materials, a crochet backpack has a handmade texture and often artistic appearance. Features of a crochet backpack: material usually made from cotton, acrylic, or wool yarns. Thicker yarns give a sturdier bag. Style can range from boho-chic, vintage, minimalist to colorful patterns. Some have drawstring zippers or flap closures. Size: small, medium, or large, can be designed for casual daily use, school, or as a fashion accessory. Customization: you can add pockets, tassels, flowers, or bed decorations. Texture and pattern often includes granny scars, stripes, chevron patterns, or floral motifs. Benefits: lightweight and flexible, handmade and unique, eco-friendly if made with natural fibers. Here are some tips for it. Start small, don't jump straight into a big backpack. Try a small pouch or mini bag first to practice your stitches. Learn basic shapes like squares, rectangles, or circles. These are often the building blocks of backpacks. Choose the right yarn and hook. Medium weight cotton or acrylic yarn is best for beginners. It is easy to handle and keeps the bag steady. Use a hook size recommended on the yarn label. Too small makes it stiff, too large makes it floppy. Learn basic stitches first. Chain, single crochet, double crochet are the most common stitches. Practice this until your tension is even. Keep it steady. Bags need structure. Beginners should crochet tighter stitches. Consider lining the bag with fabric to hold heavier items. Reinforce the straps with double layers, or add a thin cord inside the strap. Use simple patterns. Avoid very complex motifs at first. Try single color backpacks. Granny square designs, simple stamped patterns. Practice assembly. Swing or crocheting pieces together neatly is key. Lock your crochet pieces, wet and shape them before stitching them together so the backpack looks professional. Don't stress about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. You can unravel or free the stitches easily in crochet. Count your stitches carefully to avoid uneven rows. Reinforce the base. The bottom of the backpack carries most weight, so use tight stitches or a double layer. You can even insert a thin cardboard or plastic piece inside the base for extra support. Make comfortable straps. Crochet straps a bit wider to avoid tucking into your shoulders. You can line them with fabric or use a cotton cord inside for durability. Adjustable straps are a bonus for comfort. Add a lining. Lining your backpack with fabric prevents small items from poking through. It is also helps the backpack keep its shape and makes it easier to clean. Choose travel closer. drawstring, zipper, or buttons can be used depending on style. For beginners, the simple flap with a button is easiest to adjust. Stick to thick yarn. Thick yarn is easier to crochet evenly and hold shape better. If you use thinner yarn, the bag might stay too much when you carry things. Decorate carefully. Crocheted flowers, beds, or patches add charm but avoid too many heavy decorations that pull the stitches. Embroidery or sewn-on design are lighter and easier for beginners. Count your stitches. Uneven stitch counts make the bag crooked or lopsided. Use stitch markers to mark rows or edges. Practice blocking. Wet your finished pieces and shape them while drying. This gives your backpack a clear, more professional look. Keep it light. Don't overload your crochet backpack. Heavy item can stress or damage stitches over time. Use a consistent tension. Try to keep your stitches even in tightness. Uneven tension can make the backpack oblique or misshaped. Choose washable yarn. Backpacks get dirty first, so use machine washable yarn if possible. Cotton and acrylic are usually the easiest to clean. Experiment with texture. You can mix different stitch patterns like single crochet, half double, or double stitches. This makes your backpack look stylish and unique. And pockets. Crochet small internal or external pockets for keys, phone, or pens. Even on small pockets makes your backpack more functional. Secure straps well. When attaching straps, make sure they are stitched multiple times to the bag. Heavy items can pull them off if not reinforced. Avoid overstressing. Crocheted bags naturally stress over time. Avoid carrying very heavy books or bottles until your bag has stilled and is reinforced. Color planning. Plan your color scheme before starting. Stripes, gradients, or a solid color because toxic straps often look professional. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!